Hey beauty bears, Waah Gwaan, welcome back to another video on my channel. If this is your very first time here, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in. So for today's video, I'll be showing you the easiest possible way of getting your nails done while in quarantine by yourself with your issues. I mean, anybody can do this. It doesn't have to take talent or skill really to get the job done. I'll give you guys a list of stuff that you will need on the right hand corner of this video, and also I'll link it down in the description below. So first order of business is that you want to size dual forms up from your actual nail size. So if your nail size is a 7, go a size up, which will make it a size 6. If it's a 5, go up to a 4. If it's a 3, go up to a 2. I'll have an example in the video so you guys don't get confused about it, because it can get really confusing. So after you size your dual forms, you want to decide how short or long you want your nails. After deciding how short or long you want your nails, you will then take your acrylic brush, place it into the acrylic liquid. To remove the excess from the brush, you need to rub it on the side of the Dappen dish. I will insert a video so that you guys have a clear idea of what I'm talking about, because some of you might be rookies or you might be new to this, or you think this is just a genius idea of doing nails. So I'll insert a video so you guys have a clear idea of what I'm talking about. So when the excess liquid is removed from the brush, you then want to place it into the acrylic powder. So when you have a good amount of acrylic powder on the brush, you then want to place it into your dual form. After we have placed the acrylic inside the form, gently move the product down the dual form, ensuring that the side walls of the form is built properly, because we don't want no breaking nails. And also you need the nail bed area and the cuticle area a bit thinner than the rest of the nails, because we want the nail to sit properly onto our nails seamlessly. After you completed all the 10 nails, you want the nails to sit for 2 minutes just to ensure that the nails are completely dry to do the next step. So that the acrylic is dry, just to be sure about this, you can tap the form with your brush, and once you hear a clicking noise, you are good to go. It's a thumbs up. So now that you have confirmed that the nails are dried, to remove the nails from the form, you need to squeeze both sides of the form gently. Then you will listen for a popping sound, and also you will look for a air pocket between the nail and the form. That's an indication that the nails are okay and they can be removed from the dual form.
I can wait another minute, I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity. I feel like I am in a daydream, every moment that I spend with you.
So now that the nails are out, please do double check the nails to see if they fit your nails properly before applying them to your nails. So for video purposes, I didn't really actually prep my nails, so you really do need to prep. If you want long lasting nails, you really do have to prep your nails. So to prep your natural nail, you need to disinfect the area, which you need to remove all oils from the nails so the nails can be, properly placed on the nails without, any lifting, air pockets, anything. So you need to disinfect the area with some alcohol, and then you need to push back your cuticles and buff your nails. That's it. You can put on some primer if you wish. After you prepare your natural nails, we're in the final stage of doing doing greatness. No nail tech can come against you right now because you are popping. So after you prep your natural nails, you then want to glue. Then after you glue, you want to shape. If you want to shape off nails, that's fine with me. Any which way you want it, you can do so. I file, buff, shine. If you do find that the cuticle area is a bit thinner than per usual, just work in small quantities to build up that area. It's fine. Then you have to just smooth shape, file, polish, and you are good to go. Add your nail accessories, you are Gucci, sis. Thank you guys so very much for watching. If this is your very first time here, hi, welcome to BareBeauty. Thank you so very much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell. Also follow me on BareBeauty as I mentioned, and I'll see you guys in the next video.